There we go. Hi everyone, welcome back to Salmon and Cod Playtime. I am ready to play today, and I really hope that you are too, okay? I've got all these great little pink Pompoms, and they are furry, and they're pretty, and they're cute, and they're awesome, and they remind me of cherry blossoms on a cherry blossom tree, and oh, they're just so cute. Now, I think I have 11 of them, but just to make sure, why don't we count them real quick, because I don't want to have the wrong number. So here we go. Ready? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, we got 11. They're all right here. Now, let's play a game. What if we divided this pile so that you had some and I had some? You want to do that? You want to break this pile into 2 even piles so that you can have some too? Okay, let's do that. Let's see. There's 1 for you, 1 for me, 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 1 for you, 1 for me. Uh-oh. Oh, wait a minute. That didn't work. There's still 1 left. But I wanted us to have equal amounts because I wanted to share with you the best that I could possibly share. What do we do with this one? You know what we can do? Why don't we break this one into 2 parts? If we had a pair of scissors, I could just cut it in 2. But this little pom-pom's really cute, and I don't want to hurt it because it's really cute. So, I've got this bag right here. Why don't we take 2 white ones? And why don't we say 2 white ones can equal 1 pink one? Can we do that? We just say 2 of the white ones can equal 1 pink one? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so now we've got 2 white ones. Ready? 1 for you, 1 for me. Yay, we did it! We broke our pile into 2 separate groups. That was awesome! Okay, let's say that you take your pile. This one was yours, remember? And let's say that you go all the way over here, okay? You took it to the ice cream shop, and now you're hanging out at the ice cream shop. But I'm not at the ice cream shop. I went a little further down the road. La 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 la. And let's say that I went to, where did I go? I went to the burger joint. I want a hamburger. So I went down to the little burger joint, and when I got there, I found another friend. I was like, hey, how are you? Look what I have. It's really awesome. I've got these little pom-pom balls, and they're really fun. Do you want to share them with me? I'll share with you because you're my friend. And they think that's an awesome idea, and they're like, yeah, thanks. Let's break them up. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put them in 2 equal piles. Again. Ready? 1 for my new friend, 1 for me. 1 for my new friend, 1 for me. 1, oh. Well, that didn't work because I've got 1 pink one and 1 white one left. And that doesn't divide, that doesn't break up evenly. Like, we won't get the same amount. Well, how do I fix that? Do you remember last time that we took 1 pink ball and we said that we could take 2 white ones and have it equal 1 pink one? Let's do that again. Let's take this pink one, put it away, and let's get 2 white balls instead. And let's see if that helps things. Yeah, okay, now I can keep going. 1 for my new friend, 1 for me, 1, uh-oh. Well, that's not good. I just have 1 white one left, and I can't, how do I do that? Last time I broke the pink one up into 2 parts. Do you think we can do that again? Yeah, let's do that again. Instead of this one being a little white one, this time, you know what I have? I don't know if you can see these. These are fuzzy and sparkly and glittery. Do you see how glittery these are? Let's say that 2 of these little glitter ones equals this bigger white one. Can you see how these are smaller? Let's say that these 2 smaller ones can equal this 1 big one, okay? So now I've got 2. Well, that's perfect. We've got 1 for my friend and 1 for me. Yay! That worked. Well, my friend is going to stay here at the burger joint, and they're going to keep eating their burger, okay? But I move on because I just want to go for a walk today. And oh, I see a tree. And at that tree, I sit down. And when I do, another one of my friends comes over. And they start talking to me, and they're like, hey, I've got some ice cream. Do you want to share? And I'm like, yeah, I've got these awesome pom-pom balls. Do you want to share? And they're like, yeah. So let's share with my new friend, okay? Let's see. One for the friend under the tree. One for me. One. Uh-oh. It's the same problem again. But that's okay because we've already done this. We know what to do. We're going to take this one and we're going to break it up smaller, into smaller pieces. Remember? Because this one's kind of big and we can cut it in two and make it smaller. Remember, I've got my two fuzzy ones here and they can equal one big white one? Alright. Whoops, wrong way. So we can do that. So now one for my friend under the tree, one for me. Uh-oh, but now we got one furry one left. How do we divide that evenly? The same way we did it before. We just find something smaller. So, in my bag, I've got two little tiny snowball white ones. And about two of those, will make up one of these big furry ones. Okay? So we're going to say that these two tiny ones are going to equal this really furry, pretty, glittery one. Okay? So I'm going to take the furry, glittery one away because it's kind of like we cut it in two. Now I can take these pieces, one for my friend under the tree, one for me, and everyone has equal, and it worked out really, really, really good. Yay! All right. Well, what if me and my friend under the tree decide to put our pom-pom balls back together? Let's see if we can put these back together and see how many pink ones we can make. Okay? Well, if I take these two pink ones and put them right there, I know that two glittery ones, remember the two glittery ones? They make what? One big white one. Remember that? Remember how these two little ones made up one glitter one? Well, there we go. That was easy. We combined, and we got back to our original total that I had at the beginning. Kind of. The beginning with the friend with the tree. Okay, what if I find the